Hello, and welcome to my music video presentation by yours truly, Connor Fristow. The group members of my project are going to be Megan Presley, Ellie Farley, Owen Packham, Logan Wirtz, and maybe Joseph Mathuzek. I have texted him at this point, but he has not gotten back to me, but it will not be a hindrance to me if he does not appear in my project. And of course myself, Connor Fristow. I'm going to be switching gears from what I said on Thursday, and I'm actually going to be doing a rendition of White Winter Hymnal. I want to do this rendition of White Winter Hymnal in the way of Pentatonics. They do all their stuff a cappella, but I'm going to be adding a piano and violin part along with the different claps, vocals in the multi-track recording of Adobe Premiere Pro. I will be recording late next Wednesday around 9:30 p.m. in room 181 in the Snow Building. Then the following day I will edit all of the audio to make sense for when I record. What instruments will I be recording? I will be recording a piano and violin part, like I said. I will be using my Blue Yeti microphone in Adobe Premiere Pro for the multi-track system. In 2 weeks, I will be filming at Beaver Dick Park in an open area, a wooded area. In that 2 weeks, I will be aiming for Wednesday and bleeding into the weekend, because this is going to be a process filming during the weekday and into the weekend. So the costumes. The costumes are going to be mostly fall attire with a slight Christmas feel to it. Since this is my project, I want to be almost the center of attention, so I'm going to be dressing up with the Santa hat and put on Christmas clothes to make it feel like Christmas and fall are intertwined together. The role assignments. So I'm mostly going to be doing everything. I'm going to be the producer, the director, the audio editor, and the video editor. But since this is a group effort, the group members will have a say in what happens during my project. And working together will make this music video way more meaningful, and we will be putting our heart and soul into this project. I'm really excited to tackle this music video project and have a great time with the process. This is the first time I've ever done a music video, but I'm ultimately excited to learn about Adobe Premiere Pro more and learn more about filming and more about audio editing and more about multi-track, everything really. So thank you for this opportunity, and you have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.